Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we have to solve this expression. What is the value for this expression? So let's solve this. So 4 2s are 8. 4 divided by 2, which is 2. But this is the incorrect answer. This is wrong answer. So what is the correct answer for this expression? So let's solve. So here 4 divided by 1 by 4 times 8. So what is the correct value for this expression? So see here, you know that order of operation which is PEMDAS rule. This is the priority order of solving the expression. Parenthesis, E exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here multiplication, division both have equal priorities. So we go from left to right. Left to right. Same for addition and subtraction also. So here division and multiplication is there, both have equal priorities. So first we will solve this one. We have to go from left to right. So this 4 divided by 1 by 4 we have to solve first. And here you also know that KCF rule, which is keep, change, flip. Means in this you have to keep the first fraction as it is, change this into multiplication and flip this 4 by 1 into 8. Now multiply, you will get here 128. This is the correct value for this expression.